Good day everyone. I, Priyanshu Ghosh of CP01 from T1B. I am going to present the best chapter of the month. My topic is IoT based water quality monitoring system. So without any getting lost times, let's get started. These are the few contents like introduction, literature gap, objectives, models, requirement equipments, block diagram, advantages, conclusion, future scope and working. Introduction. As per the increase of water pollution, there is need of water controlling pollution in water is finished by monitoring water quality system. Second, our system consists of various sensors which will always compute the standard values of water in real time for effective action and is accurate only less manpower required. Literature gap. We have defined a suitable implementation model that consists of different sensors, devices and other modules. Their functionalities are shown in the implementation model. We are used a node E28266 with Wi-Fi module, and in this inbuilt ADC and Wi-Fi module connects the emitter device to the internet. As you look at the picture, how does it work? Objectives. There are three main objectives. First, to measure critical water quality parameters such as physical and chemical properties. Second, system must be a low cost and most effective as well. Processing sending the view, data and cloud through the water automobile. The correct data from the water sensor. Notice the best sensor bus wireless sensors. This is the system design. The system design consists water tank, ultrasonic sensor, ESP8266, node MCU, which is a Wi-Fi module, internet, things with IoT cloud system, internet and computer. This works from the water tank. The ultrasonic sensor compute the water from this to ESP8266, which is a Wi-Fi module, to the internet, and through the internet things speaks to the IoT cloud system. To the internet, it's computer. Requirement equipments. Functional requirement. pH sensor, water level, temperature sensor, node MCU ESP8266, wire, power supply and relay supply, pump, transformer. Block diagram. Power supply to transformer, transformer to AC to DC converter. AC to DC converter helps to get the information in the digital way. Node to the AC to DC converter, it transmits the details to the node MCU ESP8266, and through this Wi-Fi Android, and from the node MCU ESP8266 the output goes to the controller and the controller to pH sensor. In this the node MCU ESP8266 again its outputs from the devices display and controller, and through the display and the controller it goes to the temperature sensor and relay driver to the pump. Advantages. There are three main advantages in this project. First, it will reduce the time to measure the parameters. Second, this is economically affordable for common people. Third, water quality monitoring system is used to alert as the current, ongoing and emerging problem. Conclusion. There are two conclusions. First, the parameters and a detailed survey on the tools and a technique employed in existing smart water quality monitoring system. Also, a quality, low cost, less complement water quality monitoring system is proposed. Second, the implementation of enables sensors to provide online data to the consumers. This can be improved by incorporating algorithms from anomaly detection in water quality. You can look at the sensor node and the published temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, that's published to pH of 7.2, and the normal pH value of the water is 7.2 around. If the pH value is more than 7.2, then it will be a basic, and less than 7.2 will be an acidic. Future scope. There are four future scope in this project. First, in future we use the IoT conceptual project. What does an IoT mean? This means IoT means the Internet of Things. Second, detecting the more parameters from the most secure purpose. Third, increase the parameter by addition the multiple sensors. By interfacing the relay, we control the supply from the water. Here you can look the system multiple purpose of four types. First, input data. Second, user. Third, database, and from fourth, admin. And here from a database it fetch and store the details to the system, and the database responses to the user and the user request from the database. This is a working process of this IoT system. Let me explain this. The pH values of the water detecting by the ultrasonic sensors, and those details are sending to the analog block and the digital block. The analog block and the digital block produce the sensor details to the high-speed microprocessing speed, and from that high-speed microprocessor it produced to the two different ways. First wired interface and second wireless. From wired interface it produced to the HMI and display, and through the wireless it fetched the details from the Wi-Fi system, which is ESP8266 the module is. Thank you.